Maaaring sabihin ng iba, well, Pastor, things are doing bad. I'm not doing so well. May mga problems, may mga trials, may mga tribulations, may mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan. So, I cannot give thanks. We can still give thanks. Meron po tayo mga salita po ng Diyos na pinananampalatayan at tinatayuan. Actually, God is holding us in the palm of His hands. God is holding us through His Word. Amen. And we believe that all things will work together for our good. Kahit po yung mga negative things, negative circumstances, mga trials and testings, we believe that God will turn it around for our good. Amen? Because our God is a good God. We believe in the faithfulness, the goodness of God. Yun po ang pananampalataya. Faith is trusting the love of God. Faith is trusting the goodness of God. Faith is trusting the faithfulness of God. Faith is trusting that no matter what is going on, what is happening around us, we believe that God is a good God.